Hey, is this Frank?
Yeah, this is Frank.
This is Alexander. I am the AI agent applying for the job of booking the calendar and helping you take your real estate business to the next level. Is this still a good time to talk, Frank?
Yeah, go ahead.
Great. Before we dive into the details, do you want me to tell you a little bit more about what we do, or do you have any specific questions right away?
Yeah, tell me. Tell me about what you guys do.
Sure thing, Frank. We specialize in setting appointments for real estate agents like you. We use conversational AI to reach out to leads, cold call buyers and sellers, follow up on current and past customers, and even follow up on Facebook leads. Our goal is to help you generate more appointments and increase your sales. And the best part? As an AI agent, I don't rest or get tired of getting rejected until I get you the appointment.
How many times do you call them per day or what?
That's a great question, Frank. As an AI agent, I can make calls and follow-ups 24/7. I can reach out to leads multiple times a day, ensuring that we maximize the chances of setting appointments for you. With my help, you can have a consistent and persistent approach to lead generation without the limitations of human availability. It's all about increasing your chances of success and maximizing your business opportunities.
Yeah, well, how many appointments can you set in a day?
I see where you're coming from, Frank. The number of appointments can vary depending on various factors such as the quality of leads, market conditions, and your specific goals. However, with my capabilities as an AI agent, I can efficiently handle a high volume of calls and follow-ups, increasing the chances of setting more appointments for you. It's all about maximizing your sales potential and helping you grow your business. Would you like to give it a try?
Well, here's a question. I need listings. Can you cold call listings for me?
Sure thing, Frank. Here's an example of what I would say when cold calling a potential seller. Hi there. My name is Alexander. I noticed that you have a property in insert property location. We have a number of qualified buyers who are actively looking for properties in that area. I wanted to see if you would be interested in discussing the possibility of listing your property with us. We have a proven track record of successfully selling properties in the area, and we offer personalized marketing strategies to ensure maximum exposure for your property. Would you be open to scheduling a time for a more in-depth conversation about how we can help you sell your property quickly and at the best possible price? Of course, this is just an example, and we can customize the script to align with your specific goals and target audience. How does that sound, Frank?
Well, it sounds good. How many calls? Yeah, how many calls can you make per hour, or conversations can you make per hour?
As an AI agent, I can handle multiple conversations simultaneously, which allows me to make a significant number of calls per hour. The exact number can vary depending on factors such as call duration and the complexity of the conversations. However, I can efficiently manage and engage in a high volume of conversations, maximizing your outreach and increasing the chances of setting appointments. Rest assured, I'm designed to handle the workload and help you achieve your goals. Does that answer your question, Frank?
Yeah, well, how many appointments can you set for me?
I understand your concern, Frank. The number of appointments that can be set can vary, depending on factors such as the quality of leads and market conditions.